Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Learning Network tutorials. So in this video I am going to explore Windows Server 2025 standard evaluation only for 180 days. And so what I want to do is just basically look around the operating system and find out what kind of nice new nifty tools are available. So what I've read so far is that this particular version of Windows 2025 has a lot of great new features to actually connect to the Azure cloud, which is a public cloud service provided by Microsoft. So let's go ahead and click Azure. I hope I'm saying it correctly. And I believe you do have to have a little bit of an installation with this process. So we'll just go ahead and see what appears. There is also an icon right over here, as you can see. It's called Azure. I'm probably still saying it wrong. Azure Arc, A-R-C. And so let's see what happens when that screen comes up. I may have to type it again if it doesn't come up quickly. My PC isn't the best, isn't the fastest, but I actually am running another virtual machine. I'm installing Ubuntu as well. Okay, let's click on that icon one more time because it's taking a bit of a while to begin. Let's do it one more time. It'll probably come up twice, but that's okay. Come on, work for me, work for me. And let's see what it looks like. It might be actually in the background running somewhere. Hopefully not. Let's get a better look. Okay, so here we go. It says here, getting started with Azure Arc. And of course, it's giving us the option to get started and of course install the application as well. Let's just take a quick read through and see what it actually says that it is responsible for. So Azure Arc will connect your server to Arc, giving you the fast access to Microsoft's best management, monitoring, and security services. So with Azure Arc, you can, of course, enable Microsoft Defender for the servers to protect your servers from active threats, very important, and of course monitor your servers and quickly query logs without setting up any infrastructure. It automatically will onboard and configure your server to comply with Azure's best practices. It sounds very interesting. So let's go ahead and click next. Come on, computer, work for me. Next, today, please. Here we go. And here are all the little options here. Just a moment. We're getting ready to get things going here. That's what it's telling me. Okay, it's still doing a little downloading right here. We'll let it download the agent as it needs. Some kind of machine agent, looks like. Actually, it says here installing. Alright, that's what I like to hear or see, installing. So once this is completed, we'll see what type of icon or tool appears on the desktop, and I'll take it from there. But basically, this tool interacts between the cloud and, of course, your on-site infrastructure, the devices, I guess your old servers or whatever. Not old, but your on-site servers. If you're not running in the cloud yet, and maybe perhaps you are thinking about moving to the cloud 100%, this is probably the app that you will use to maybe migrate some of your items possibly, or who knows. We'll do a little bit deeper dive into what the actual application really does, but right now I'm just going to go ahead and install it fully and take a look and see how the interface looks. Alrighty, we shall see. Alright, here we go. It says configure, so that's exactly what I will do. Press that tab and let's see what appears on our screen. It should give us a little insight as to what's going to happen next. Hopefully. I'll just check to see if there is any icon located nearby. So I'm going to just look around. Okay, here we go. Configuration screen. Okay, configure Azure Arc. Let's see, the wizard guide will guide you through the configuration. Okay, it's still loading a bit. Sign into Azure. Okay, we're going to run into a problem because I do not have an Azure account. So I may have to stop at step number 1. Anyway, I'm just showing you the app, so it's cool. Let's go here. And nor do I want to sign up for an app at this point because it's just not the right time for me to do that. But as you can see here, it gives you the option for the Azure cloud, and then you have to sign in, and of course then you're going to generate a code. So they're using MFA, multi-factor authentication probably, and this is the login link right here. So like I said, I'm going to stop right here because number 1, I don't have an account, and number 2, I don't have a server for it to connect to. But as you can see, it seems like it will be a pretty good tool to explore for your own curiosity. So go ahead and explore and let me know what you find out. Alrighty, thanks for watching.